Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and View into Huck's World, and welcome to another Fun Day Sunday watch face review. We got an awesome freebie for you all to check out. So you know you got to go download right after the video because I don't know how long this watch face is going to be free. Now, this is a nice digital watch face. I like the layout. This is going to be a dressed down casual watch face, and you can simply just save this one and wear it through the work week. Now, we got many videos coming up today. I'm going to load your inbox up, so get ready. Just save it for later and or just share with other people and on social media. All right. With that being said, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Ned. That's what we're going to call it. It has a longer name. We will leave all the information in the description where you can find this watch face. Now, as I said, the watch face is nice. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gear 3, the Galaxy Watch, the Gear Sport. But once the watch face is on, I like the look. Again, it's big, it's bold, everything is legible. You got stacked digital time. You're going to get an AM, PM stamp at the top with battery information. And then on the right, I like how huge the seconds are that's ticking on this watch. It looks super awesome. Now, if you look to your left, you're going to see the symbol of the S Health. Now, it only shows how much of your goal you have completed. It is not interactive, but still, it's still a nice looking watch face. And even down at the bottom, you are going to get your date. So I don't know what you guys think of this one because this is the only color that it comes in. I thought it was super awesome for a casual wear and or for the work week. All right, you all, I hope you all are getting ready because the Monday grind is right around the corner. If you like the video, hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.